Topping the 10 tonight, a deadly E. coli outbreak linked to a popular McDonald's menu item, the Quarter Pounder.
The CDC is investigating the Chicago-based fast food chain after dozens of people got sick and at least one has died. Our Jermont Terry is at McDonald's headquarters breaking down what we know tonight. Jermont?
Joe and Erica, this is the Quarter Pounder, and it is linked to that E. coli outbreak. You can still buy one here in the Chicago area, but already 10 states have pulled this from the menu. The McDonald's Corporation insisting they're working hard to get to the source before it spreads. The golden arches are a bit dimmed. The Chicago-based company McDonald's is tied to an E. coli outbreak.
E. coli is a bacteria, grows from the gut of animals, and sometimes that can get contaminated with food.
The famous Quarter Pounder has been linked to, according to the Centers for Disease Control, to 49 cases and 1 death in a 3-week period. Dr. Nick Cozy is an emergency room physician at Rush Hospital.
The specific strain is something that we learn about as physicians because of how serious it can be, and specifically can present in a few different ways: fever, diarrhea, upset stomach, and bloody diarrhea specifically.
Right now, Illinois is not one of the 10 states where the 49 people have fallen ill. McDonald's president quickly addressing the outbreak on social media and the possible source: onions.
We've taken steps to proactively remove slivered onions, which are used in Quarter Pounders, from restaurants in select states.
The president continued on saying other beef items on the menu are safe.
And the majority of menu items are not affected.
You know, this is going to be a black eye for McDonald's.
So says attorney Bill Marler. He specializes in foodborne illness cases. In the early 90s, his firm represented the deadly E. coli outbreak involving the food chain Jack in the Box. Marler is not representing any of the 49 patients currently.
And we need to put pressure on these big companies to source products from places that are safe and to source from reputable, suppliers.
He adds anyone impacted should speak out.
I think, unfortunately, this outbreak's going to get bigger.
While doctors say to watch out for prolonged health problems.
Elderly, those who have weakened immune systems, as well as our children.
McDonald's says it's working closely with the CDC and FDA to stay on top of this investigation. The company's president says it will keep customers in the loop every step of the way. In the West Loop, Jermont Terry, CBS News, Chicago.